when Teresa and I did the tour, ours was in 1 day.
What, Gent and Brew?
Yeah.
They got the Belgian waffles too?
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's what I want.
was thinking, if I don't know if we were going to do Antwerp at all, but we could try to find that Waffle House, that gun.
Yeah, they got them in Gent.
Oh, yeah.
And Brew.
After me and Uncle came up with a game plan for the day, I decided to enjoy a Frappuccino. I for sure have to show some love to the dog, so we played a small game real quick. In Belgium, I'm gonna let y'all know I was in the upper area, which is the Dutch side. The lower area of Belgium is the French side. I'm sure I'll be back soon, but for now, while we are here, let's enjoy time. My auntie Crystal, sure love her some plants. She keeps them inside this little dining room. If you ask me, it's really a green room. I mean, if you made it this far in the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you get notified for all the future videos. And also, in the comment section, type where you want to see the next travel location at. Yesterday I was at the bus stop and I was reading the sign by the bench, and it's Dutch. It's what Chet was telling me.
Yeah.
And as I was reading it correctly. And then I was interpreting what it was saying.
So
for the most part,
saying, brother, you got.
I feel like naturally I know Dutch. You know what I'm saying? But it kind of sounds German a little bit too. Do you know anything about like Dutch and German language?
Close.
Like, why they so close? Why it sounds so
It's
close?
all Germanic people from back in the day when Bismarck was in, and this was all Dutch land. Yeah.
And we on the Dutch side right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Central Station.
Yeah, you got to go in there and just park it.
Say, Chet, tell them where we headed to, man.
We heading to Brussels, you know, some waffles and a little bit of Ghent. Maybe Amsterdam small.
Alright.
Something slight.
So right now we at the train station, looking for the right train, walking through this beautiful building, piece of architect. And I'm gonna keep y'all up to speed, man. Peace.
But just, if you look up and all the glass and metal up there, it's really something.
I'll put it like this. You go through New York and you tell me what's dirty, what's clean.
Everything's dirty.
Filthy.
Everything dirty in New York. Nah, let me not be disrespectful to New
I ain't
York.
disrespecting New York. I'm just talking about they trains.
but we're just saying, like, yeah,
you go from Jersey to New York, it's like fucking filthy, man.
they know it.
Yeah.
They know it. We ain't lying.
Now, Singapore is a whole different story. You don't see nothing like this. It be shiny and clean. Russia, too.
Gotta make my way to Singapore eventually. So according to my aunt, this is minuscule governmental buildings that we're looking at. Take a look at this beautiful scenery here. Capture that in the moment. I'm about to get me some Belgian waffles, man. I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with. My family crazy. I thought I was the only one from Texas out here. Now for the moment we've been waiting for, the official Belgian waffle. Also, the waffles that are shaped like private parts, it's a big cultural thing, and also it's supposed to be humorous for those who are not local. In other words, it's supposed to surprise travelers. this one. So we got a Belgian waffle from La Gouffrerie, something like that, right? About to take my first bite, let y'all know how it go. Hey, that's smacking, man. Y'all gotta come get a Belgian waffle one day when y'all get a chance to come to Belgium. What you need for the get?
I'm gonna get an Oreo vanilla.
I'm probably gonna get like 2 more different kinds though. But yeah, man, we out here tapping in with the Belgian waffles, man. Man, this goes crazy. We got the strawberries on one side, bananas on the other side, with the vanilla chocolate on top. Oh boy, we about to smash this. Got the Belgian fries. Just had the Belgian waffles. 10 out of 10. Boom.
Yeah, you about to catch a train and go peep something out? Yeah, they say it's for people like you. So when you get in, all that good money. All these
Yeah, I could be right.
Finally made it to the castle I had recorded from the previous shots and almost forgot about it. Definitely gotta take a trip inside. We're gonna go take a little trip inside this castle. Follow me on inside. So what y'all see here is royalty. We walking on real history right now. Back on my stomping grounds, back to my roots. You see Uncle right behind us. Uncle smiling because he knows it's real. Yeah, right now they got my security gate up, so nobody just been freely coming in my joint, you know what I mean? But we been letting people pass. All they gotta do is buy a ticket. We in here though. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see this. This is all y'all get to see for now. Unfortunately, I thought I was gonna be able to show y'all around, but the ticket booth ended up being closed. Just a little bit of the clip. Okay, me and my boys. Here we are approaching the famous graffiti alley located in Gent. So as I mentioned before, I will let y'all know about some of the popular legends behind the boy taking the leak statue. And a few of them is about the little hero, which is a young boy who allegedly saved the city by urinating on a burning fuse of explosives laid by enemies during a siege, preventing an explosion. Another one is a lost boy. A nobleman's young son went missing during a festival after an intense search. He was found happily urinating in a garden. The nobleman then commissioned a statue in gratitude. Then you have another story, which is the brave urinator. During a battle, a boy urinated on enemy troops from a tree or a wall, symbolizing defiance and bravery. These are just a few folkloric explanations of the boy's unusual pose.
Pourquoi les chocolats belges sont meilleurs alors que
I know it get active at night here. If there was some room, people would be out here. But when this first started, it's right. This look like a little strip for a party at nighttime. I wouldn't be in it. Maybe the old me. Right. I called you back like you requested, cuz. Where you at? Answer the phone, Asian. Answer the phone, Asian.
I don't know how to act.
Probably in the air. You know she be in cuckoo nuts.
Yeah.
Now she not in the air. She in the room. She off today.
Oh, okay.
Answer the phone, foo-foo.
Should have blew us out. Actually,
I was right there.
he should have blew us out. But he decided to keep this game going a long time, and he ain't gonna do me like that. I ain't gonna be sitting up here all night fooling with his little ass. Look at that, boy. That thing look good under there. Y'all want that joker, don't you? Yeah.
Tell me about my losses.
Yeah, that's him. Oh, yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah, that dude, he's something else.